What is up, everybody? Thought I'd make a quick video. I'm just gonna say a farewell to my 2017 Dayglow Master Haro Lineage, and gonna just talk about it real quick and take a good look at it to make sure I haven't missed anything before I ship it out. But anyway, let's take a look at it. The only real, what I feel like, if I can zoom, just from doing the same old videos that I see, there's just some kind of where my feet have been on the top tube. So you have to kind of get up to see it. And the first time I'd ever removed the seat post clamp, which was just little bits and pieces of where I was riding it. And I will say, just as a testament to quality, this frame has held up great. In my opinion, the welding, the paint, everything about the 2017 models were better than what was released here recently by Haro. Once John Bolgens wasn't able to get out with Corona, I think the tolerances and the quality control slipped, which is not John Bolgens' fault. Let me see if I'm trying to drop this before I package it up. The 3M tape, I would definitely recommend that to anyone, because this thing would have looked fantastic still. But this is a great frame, high quality. You can maybe see here where I was more scuff marks. I know there was just a few. On the top tube there from trying to do squeaker. Well, yeah, man. If I had more room, I would keep it. The fork is in great shape. A little bit of carnage right there, but the water transfer decals are great. They really save a lot of, you can do a lot before you start to see wear and tear. And luckily for me, I didn't really ride. I've been riding more. I've been riding more. Throw all that down. In the last month than I've probably ridden in 3 years. So luckily, none of my bikes show too much. But anyway, guys, that's my farewell video. This has been a great frame. Shout out to Patrick at Flatland Fuel, who sold me the complete bike. And the bottom bearing, and the sleeve and everything is in there perfectly, so you won't need to mess with that at all. Oh, master. Number, I think this is 155. Let me clean that up a little. 20.5. Alright, guys, well, this thing's gonna get shipped up, and I hope to see it in future videos with the new owner. These are great bikes. Shout out to John Bolgens. Alright, guys, peace out.